I don't really even know how to classify a question like this. I call this a numeracy question. Numeracy is like the math equivalent of literacy. Literacy is, can you read? Are you literate? Do you know how to put words together to make sentences? Numeracy is like, can you just understand basic math? This is not an equation that we need to generate. Just kind of do what they say. Julissa needs at least 100 hours of flight time to get her private pilot certification. If Julissa already has 86 hours of flight time, what is the minimum number of additional hours of flight time Julissa needs to get her private pilot certification? So she's got 86, she needs to get to 100. How would you do that? To me, this is literacy, right? You just should have an instinct for this. We're going to do 100 minus 86 without a calculator. That's 14. That's it. That's the whole thing, right? So if we got to 14, we would get exactly 100, which, maybe you get thrown off by the word at least, right? Oh, is that enough, right? That gets us to 100, but what does at least mean? Well, at least means 100 counts. So does 101, 102, 103, but 100 is within the bounds. That's allowed. So they're not really trying to trick us with that, though, right? If they ask for what is the minimum number and 15 was an answer, then that might be more of a trap, because we might be like, oh, how does at least work again? Like, I need to get over 100. And some of you might pick 15 because you think you need that extra one, but we don't. It's an inclusive phrase. But other than that, I don't even know. I mean, obviously the other answers are just like, choice D, for example, is just adding the two numbers instead of subtracting them. But I think that if you speak English, this is something that should just kind of naturally make sense, that you're going to do subtraction here. Of course, if I am missing something, if there's something that you thought, don't be embarrassed, put in the comments, and I'm happy to try to understand it better. But hopefully everyone got this one right.